This video is applicable to the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. Open the box, remove the contents, and sort them into categories. The EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 packaging box includes the Smart Home Panel 3, Smart Inlet Box, and so on. Before installation, you need to prepare the corresponding materials and installation tools. This product has been evaluated for use with the branch circuit breaker types listed below in accordance with the UL standard for panel boards. The EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 consists of a dead front cover, door, and panel body. The EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 is mainly composed of 5 components, as shown in the detailed figure. The EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 has 5 expandable reserved holes at the bottom. The EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 not only offers expandable knockouts, but also allows drilling at these locations according to on-site installation requirements. After confirming the installation position using positioning paper, mark the position. Drill holes with an electric drill. Insert the fixing screws, ST 5.5 by 32 mm, 3/4 of the way into the hole. Remove the dead front cover of the panel and hang the panel on the fixing screws. Remove the 4 screws on the top of the front cover, then remove the 2 screws on the bottom. Remove the front cover plate. Place the inlet box in the installation position and mark the hole positions for screws. After drilling holes with an electric drill, use screws to secure the inlet box in place. Remove the main terminal before installing the circuit breaker. Install the main circuit breaker and secure it with screws. Install the circuit breaker. This panel is suitable for use as service entrance equipment. When used as a sub-panel, unscrew the bonding between neutral and ground. Risk of electric shock. Before wiring, make sure the power is off. Ensure that the main and branch circuit breakers are in the off position. When laying communication cables, please refer to the descriptions of communication ports. Use a breaker hold down to secure the branch circuit breaker and fasten it with screws. Download the EcoFlow app by scanning the QR code or visiting the URL listed here. Connect devices and configure the network. There are 5 steps for commissioning. Steps 1 through 4 are shown below, and step 5 is settings check. Settings include home location, grid voltage and frequency, current of the main circuit, split phase circuits, and the maximum circuit current of each circuit. After the grid and circuit settings are completed, the app will pop up an introduction to the system functions and recommend system settings based on your needs. You can click Apply or the cross in the upper right corner to set it yourself. After configuring and entering the system main page, check for the latest firmware update. If any, make sure the firmware is up to date. Check whether the EcoFlow app can control the system properly or whether the operation mode can be switched.